In this chapter, you will learn one of the most favorite dishes, an icon of Philippine cuisine, which is known as adobo. The recipe is really easy, but what makes it special is the perfect combination of the saltiness of the soy sauce and the sourness of the vinegar. It is made even more flavorful because of the generous amount of garlic and spices added to it. What you need: 1/2 kilo chicken, 1/2 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup oyster sauce, 1/2 cup cane vinegar, 1/2 cup water, 4 cloves garlic, 2 pieces bay leaf, 1/4 teaspoon ground pepper, 1/4 teaspoon peppercorns, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup palm oil, 1/4 teaspoon dried rosemary, 1/4 teaspoon allspice powder. Step-by-step procedure. 1. Clean and cut the chicken into smaller pieces and set aside. 2. Crush the garlic using the flat sides of the knife and press it against the cutting board to easily peel it off, then mince it. 3. In a saucepan, put in the oil and sauté the garlic and chicken together. 4. Pour in the soy sauce, vinegar, and water, but do not stir. Stirring vinegar before boiling brings out a raw, sour taste in the recipe. 5. Simmer for about 10 minutes. 6. After 10 minutes, add in the rest of the ingredients and simmer for another 5 minutes. Serve with steamed rice.